Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So for tonight, I'm gonna show you guys how to make money trading gold. So as you can see, this is my analysis. This is my analysis for gold, which I did the analysis on Thursday. So I'm just gonna show you how it went. So far we in profit. So I managed even to log in some profit. So I'm just gonna get down to it and show you how to make money trading gold. Show you the analysis on a higher time frame before we get to a smaller time frame, because where most of the traders go wrong is they just jump in straight to the 15 minutes time frame or the 1 hour time frame. So you need to get the bigger picture where the market is going, what the market is telling us. As you can see here, it's a beautiful continuation pattern to the upwards. So we know that we're gonna get the break here, then come for reversal, then we go to the upwards. But for now, when we go to a smaller time frame, the market is telling us something different. Let me just jump into the 15-minute time frame so I can show you guys what I'm saying. As I'll remove the blue line here. I just wanted you guys just to see. So you can see on the 15-minute time frame, we have a beautiful reversal pattern to the downside. So obviously, I always go with my 90% rule. I know that normally I will take my profits here, but I'm very careful in this trade because I know my long-term trade is to buy, but my short-term now is to just sell. So where I put this blue line here is where I locked in my profits. So I just want to move that so it doesn't confuse you. This is where I locked in my profit. So I'm still in the trade. So for the coming week, I'm just waiting for the market to open. I'll be still looking for another entry on gold. I'll be looking to scale in. So on my second trade. So this is what I'll be looking for. This is what I'll be looking for in order for me to go in. So I'll be looking for another reversal pattern. And I know when I see another reversal pattern that we're still going to the downside. So this is what I'll be looking for the coming week. Just waiting for the market to open. I know when the market comes, I might get a risk entry here. Then that will be my second entry. So then I know that sorry, if the market comes here, obviously it will take me out because I locked in my profits. So it will obviously take me out. Then I will wait for another entry if it does something like this. Even if it takes me out, I'll be already in the profits, but I'll look for another entry again. So if it comes, it does a continuation pattern, obviously it will take me out. Then I'll wait for a risk entry here. Then it will be my first trade because the one that I did first, obviously it will have taken me out. I'll wait for another entry. Then my second entry might be here if it goes as I planned. But remember, guys, the long-term trade is for a buy. This is just a short-term trade. But if it does something like this, then I know that's when I will get into my second trade. So let's just hope that it doesn't correct for long. It doesn't correct for long. Maybe it might reject when it gets here, because I see that it's a strong zone. So if it rejects, I know it won't take out the first trade I'm in, then I'll wait for it to break here, then I'll go in again. So this is my analysis for gold. So I'm still in the trade, locked in profit. So no matter how it goes, I'm still in profits. Even if it takes me out, will take me out with some profit. So this is my analysis for gold. This is the 15-minute time frame. Let me just jump into the 1 hour. So let me just remove these lines so they don't confuse you. Just remove them. So even here on the even here on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that it's also a beautiful reversal pattern. So it might let me just evolve it. So it if it breaks, then this will be my first target. But normally it will break, come for a retest, go down, then this will be my first target. Then the other my other target will be here, because I know that then we're going down to the downside. But this is for the 1 hour. So you need to check different hours, guys, in order for you to know where the market is going. And this is also for the 4 hour. So the 4 hour, we also have a reversal pattern to the downside. So I'll be looking for more opportunities just to get into the market. But this is our long-term trade. We know on the long-term trade that we're going to the upside. I hope you guys find a good entry on gold, but I'm also still looking for sell opportunities. So guys, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and hit the notification button, so every time that I upload a video, you'll get notified. So